Okay, so good morning once again and welcome back in today's class. Today we are on the day number 38 of our class. So yesterday we were discussing about the cloning, that how the cloning done, what is the process in the cloning, files, exclude, preserves, profile, everything we have done. And I also told you that you can go through the document or the PDF which is provided by ServiceNow. ServiceNow checklist, ये वाला. ठीक है, तो अभी क्या है कि I said कि आप लोगों को पढ़ना है, read this part, Hital.
Yes, sir.
Good. तो अब इसमें क्या है mainly, it tell you that when you start upgrading it, what you have to be do. And important part is that upgrade never happen in the reverse order. Upgrade ऐसे नहीं होता, production से इस पे नहीं जाएगा. जैसे क्लोनिंग था, क्लोनिंग क्या था, प्रोडक्शन से टेस्ट में जाता था, लेकिन अपग्रेड क्या जाते हैं, अपग्रेड सीक्वेंस ऑर्डर में जाते हैं. जैसे पहले डेव अपग्रेड होगा, इफ एनी इशू, एनी डिफेक्ट, एनी फंक्शनलिटी इज नॉट वर्किंग, वो फिक्स होंगे. वंस इट हैज बीन वेरीफाइड देन इट विल गो टू द टेस्ट. इफ एनी इशू, डाउट, इफ एनी इशू, डिफेक्ट्स, फंक्शनलिटी नॉट वर्किंग, वो फिक्स होंगे. And then it will go to prod. The main point is that one thing which is, even though before you go for the cloning, is that I'm sure that you read it here as well. Cloning, create, update, identify, development instance, freeze, confirm availability of this, sessions, sequence, confirm methods. हाँ चलो मैं वैसे बताता हूँ आपको, ठीक है. Before you start the cloning, what I said yesterday, if you want to do the cloning, it is like a copy paste, complete copy paste है, ठीक है. अब प्रॉब्लम क्या है, अरे तो सर मैं तो I'm in the development environment and I'm doing my development as well. Same thing on the wall, the painting process is still going on. If you did not tell to that person, whitewash wala person, he or she will put the paint on that particular wall. It means before I go for the cloning, I have to make sure that I take the backup of my update set. Running update sets mainly. Understand my point? So now what we are doing, if you see here, let's come back here. Okay, this is my instance, right? Let's say I want to be clone my instance from Hital instance. ठीक. Now if I say okay, तो जितने भी मेरे changes हैं, configuration level changes जो हैं, that will also get override because I said it's a complete copy paste. So what we told to developer a day advance, that guys, on Saturday we are going to be clone the dev instance. Please take the backup of your update sets properly. So in this case, what they will do, they will go here, they will click on their update set, open it, and yeah, देखो ये रहा. And they will move this update set to the complete. ये another thing which we are going to be do today, possibly. So now if you know that approximately day 5 or day 6 we created this update set, and I told you guys, please create update set and start working. If you want to see that till the date we have done these many configuration changes, ये देखो ये UAE policy, change model, blackout schedule. See, something for me which I'm doing on a daily basis. See, portal हमने किया, knowledge हमने किया, right? All these things we have done. So in the update set, we capture our configuration changes. So if you will not capture, if you not take the backup of your update set, it will get overwritten. And how to take a backup? It will not in the open. You can't take a backup. You have to be close it. So now you can see this is my update set, and this is yours update set. Ethel and Nazam. ये आप दोनों के update set है. Because mine is parent, so what I will do, I will close mine. देखो ये रहा complete. It said this will be complete all upside running in the batches. I said yes. Yes. As soon as I click on the complete and click on the save. See, it become default and I got an option called export update set batch to XML. Do you want to take it backup? I said yes. This. And the backup is going on. ठीक है, देखो ये आ गया, ये मेरा बैकअप हो गया सारा. Now, after doing this part, we can start the cloning. This is the first part. Second part, which is pending, that how to move this update set to the Ethel instance, that we will discuss later on for today. Okay. So if this has been done, now I can go here and search for the upgrade. The way we have raised the request for the cloning, we have to be raise a request for the upgrade as well. Lekin for the upgrade, I cannot do it here. देखो ये देखो. So you can see upgrade center, upgrade plan, upgrade preview. Yes. Now I'll show you one more thing. अब जब पहले मैप्स नहीं थे, गूगल मैप्स नहीं हुआ करते थे, हाउ पीपल से कि मुझे यहां से उस शहर तक जाना कितना टाइम लगेगा, तो हाउ पीपल से इफ यू स्टार्ट बाय द टाइम सन इज राइजिंग यू विल रीच बाय सनसेट, मतलब इतना टाइम आपको लग जाएगा. एंड यू मे फेस these problems. Like people say, I want to travel to India to Canada. It will take approximately 24-25 hours and it is a connecting file. It's very heavy, hectic journey, but you will get, if you get a good seat and good food, you can enjoy a trip as well. So ServiceNow introduced this concept. Why? Because customer says, if I want to be upgrade my instance, tell me that how much time it will going to be take. And once I upgrade, what files are getting changes? अब देखो, I prepare a cake, ठीक है, and put in the fridge. My wife came and she decorate more on that cake. ठीक. Now I want to know how much time it will take to do your work again if I overwrite everything. And what changes you have done. नहीं मजा नहीं आया. Like same thing. Let's say I told to my this person on this wall do the yellow light yellow color. He done the one coat. I said नहीं मजा नहीं आया. To avoid this problem, what is happening nowadays? Whenever you invite any interior decorator, any whitewash person kind of things, they come with the tablets. And they show you the 3D view, 4D view or 8D view on their laptops or tablets. Ma'am, if you do this color like this, it will look like this. If you do like this, it will look like this. What you are doing? Before spending the money, before starting the actual work, you're doing the preview. And in the preview, you get an estimate that, oh, okay, this much it will look like and this much time it will take. The same thing ServiceNow provided here, upgrade preview. Customer says, because for the customer, upgrades are always a hectic part. Always a hectic part. It takes a lot of good time because you have to be upgrade 3 environments. You don't know that what is going to be break. कुछ फट जाएगा code में, कुछ changes हो जाएंगे. Because why I'm saying this thing? Let's say we make some changes on the incident table. And upgrade also bringing some changes on the incident table. Now it is a conflict. If before actual upgrade, if I know that what are going to be impact, I'll be prepared mentally and it can be learning for me for the next time. That is the reason I told you in between sometime that changing in the out of the box components, especially business rule, service portal widgets, CSS, HTMLs, JS kind of things, not recommended. Recommendation is create a copy and then make a change. So that when upgrade happen, it should not create any problem for you. So now I will click on the, so because I'm on the latest release now, so I don't see anything to be option here. Like this. So now let me go back to the Heathel's one. Let's see, is Heathel has something to be shown on the upgrade preview, because my intention to show you this functionality. और ये काम डेली नहीं होते, ये साल में कभी 2 बार मैक्सिमम. ठीक है, अपग्रेड प्रीव्यू. इंटेंशन इज जस्ट टू गिव अ फ्लेवर. हाँ देखो ये रहा. सो शी इज ऑन द टोक्यो. ठीक है, एंड शी वांट टू गो ऑन द वॉशिंगटन डीसी. इसको इस पैच पे जाना है, मतलब तो बहुत पुराना इंस्टेंस है इसका तो. ठीक है, लेट्स से शी वांट टू गो ऑन द वॉशिंगटन डीसी. Now before I go for the actual upgrade, I want to be see how much time it will take. I click on the OK. It will take few minutes because it's a PDA, nothing much to be done on that part. ठीक है, ये. So this section is running. In the meantime it is running. Let me come back to my part. Okay. So this section will give you the inputs that how much time it will take, what files may get changed. That is number 1 part. And this functionality has been introduced by ServiceNow, I guess, in the Tokyo or some later release only. This upgrade preview. That is the first part. Second part, I want to see the previous upgrades. Then I can go here, upgrade history. इसे भी ध्यान रखना. हाँ चल रहा है, good. ये देखो, last upgrade कब हुआ था? 2nd of February को हुआ था, because mine was on the Vancouver and I upgraded to the Washington DC. So you can see, so last time when it is upgrade, total 17 changes was skipped and total 43,021 changes has been applied. I can see this history as well. Then if I want to be see, or I want to create an upgrade plan. This is something again newly has been added by ServiceNow, that how to upgrade my system. So I have to be make a plan like this. Retrieve. Because कुछ है नहीं यहाँ पर अभी लिखने के लिए मेरे पास, तो retrieve is also not working. देखो, this is something new. ServiceNow make a plan. If you want to upgrade your dev, your production, or your this thing. Test instance, you can make a complete plan as well. So like this, if you click here, create new. We're going to help this. आपको क्या करना है? तो it will tell you the everything. Let's get started. कोई application आपको उसको upgrade करना है. मतलब I never work on this part, but little bit which I know is this only. So you can make a complete upgrade plan on this particular part. ठीक है, let's say anything is there now. Good. Now did you notice, see, it says if you are only Tokyo now and you want to go to the Washington. ठीक है, and you can click here preview details. If you upgrade your system, it will take the preview take only 2 minutes. And if you upgrade, these changes will be skip. कि इसको कुछ नहीं करना ये क्योंकि okay when we upgrade ना this thing come changes come with the priority 4 3 2 1 means major changes है like again same thing white wash वाला person ने बोला मैम और सर my work has been done. Then you go in each room and you find out the mistakes. नहीं भैया इसको थोड़ा सा और कर दो. It's a minor. कई बार क्या होता है हाँ leave it यार तो ठीक है कोई दिक्कत नहीं है. अरे ये तो it's not working. It's not completely giving the same color. It's a major changes. It's a P1. You have to fix it. So the same thing ServiceNow say here. So now what is it saying? That if we upgrade Hema's instance, Hital's instance, these changes are priority 5, which you can ignore it. And total, these many files will get changed. 29,750. This upgrade preview give a confidence to the customers that I'm in a good situation. I can go ahead for the upgrades. And then they can or we can request for the upgrades here. So now let's say if I want to go here, I can request for the schedule upgrade. Upgrade has been scheduled on the high ticket, high support, HI support. Okay, because we don't have a ServiceNow access as of now. I don't have any account access with me, so we cannot schedule the upgrade. But if you're working for your official clients, then you will get this option and you can schedule your upgrades in a proper manner. That's the one part. So now we have done this. Now come back here. Let's say my upgrade has been done. Sorry, my upgrade has been planned for. Generally upgrades happen during the weekends. Like Friday evening it will be start and by Friday and Saturday evening it will be over. Over means including everything. Testing, fixes, backups, everything will be done. Now I want to see my preview. Upgrade is going on. Click on this upgrade preview. So Hital, what you can do, you can go to developer.servicenow.com and there you will get an option called the upgrade instance. Once you click on that upgrade instance and come here after a few minutes in the upgrade monitor, you will be able to see that how my upgrade is happening. Very, very beautiful thing. I like it actually in ServiceNow. So like this, it will show you because I have no running upgrade as of now. Otherwise, I can see that how many nodes will be there. So like this, it will show me. Complete node information, everything will be there. Upgrade monitor में सब कुछ दिखेगा because it's nothing is running for me, so I cannot see anything. Let me see anything option here. No upgrade has been scheduled. तो कुछ नहीं दिखेगा अभी यहाँ पे हमें, ठीक है. और अगर मैं यहाँ जाऊँ upgrade monitor, check now. Let's see if anything is there. Definitely it will be there. No upgrade detected. अच्छा, क्योंकि पीडीए है ना तो अपग्रेड नहीं कर रहा है उसके ऊपर कुछ, ठीक. तो but you can see the information here and once the upgrade has been completed then you come back here. देखना भी तो ना गलतियां क्या क्या है, क्या फटा क्या नहीं, क्या चल रहा है. तो ये this it says 53 पे शुरू हुआ था, 41 पे खत्म हो गया मेरा, 48 मिनट मुझे लगे and these many changes has been done. Total 17 changes थे, 16 to review, 1 to be reviewed. मैंने किए नहीं because it's a PDA, so I ignore it. So P2 के 1 changes थे, P4 के 1 है और P5 के this. As per the standard practice in the industry, P1, P2, P3 skip record is always check. Developer will spend time and check why it's coming in the skip record. And what I have to be do now? Shall I go back to the previous version? So now they're saying to be reviewed. Let's say, come here. So now you see, what is this? Maybe I did some changes in the one of the property. So it says, boss, it is I'm skipping it. But what you want to be do? Do you want to skip it, or you want to go to the previous version, or you want to go to the next version? So ServiceNow provide me this option. See, do you want to merge it? Like, I go to market, I bring a good trouser for my kid. My wife also go to market, she bring a good t-shirt for my kid. Now it's a two items. Shall we give a gift to my kid in the two packings, one trouser and one shirt? Or shall we make it as a one pack and give as a gift? Or shall we don't give any gift? Multiple options. So same thing, every developer has to be do this thing. They're saying not reviewed, reviewed, reviewed and merge. कि भैया ठीक है जो है मुझे बता मैं मर्ज कर देता हूँ. रिव्यू एंड रिटेन्ड, रिव्यू किया और जो लेटेस्ट था उसको रिटेन कर लिया. रिव्यू एंड रिवर्टेड, रिव्यू किया और पिछले वाले पे रिवर्ट कर दिया. ऑलवेज रिटेन, नहीं नए वाले रखो. मैंने कहा नहीं, आई एम हैप्पी टू गो फॉर द मर्जिंग पार्ट एंड देन आई कैन click save. This is one of the hectic tasks which a developer never like, because it is very painful to go in each and every file and understand. That is the reason that upgrades are always say very risky and the costly. Because during the upgrade you cannot do the development. During the upgrade, you need to take a support from your testing team as well. Okay. So it is always risky. So the only reason is that we are not in the practical format, so I cannot show you these things practically, but I'm giving you the intention. But believe me, if you are going to work as a developer, you may need to be work on this part. ये देखा फर्स्ट फाइल सेकंड फाइल क्या चेंजेस हैं, वो चाहिए ठीक है कर दो चेंजेस, ठीक. But when we go for the production, so now let's say upgrade has been done. Upgrade, let's say upgrade has been done and I want to be bring my changes back. So changes means my development stuff back. So what I will do, I will go here, click on the update set, local update set, click and import XML ताकि मेरे जो चेंजेस हैं वो वापस आ जाए. So how basically we do, let me revise this concept quickly in your mind. First we take a cloning. No, first we'll make a plan that how to do the upgrades. We check the release notes. We see that what new features are coming for me. Is it useful for me or not? Shall I go ahead or not for this particular for this? Once it has been done, then we plan the development backups. Ki when the cloning will be happen. Before cloning, we have to be tell to my developer team to take the backup of their update sets. Then we do the cloning. After cloning, we verify is everything is working fine or not. Because it's a system. Let's say, same example, let's say I invited to that whitewash wala person. He did the single coat in all the house. Before he go for the next level of coating, I want to verify everything is fine or not. So once this has been verified, then we go for the upgrade. We schedule the upgrade. We see that what is the timing we can do. We make a testing plan. Now for the testing as well, ServiceNow provide the tool called the ATF. automating testing framework. ATF only can be used in the lower instance. We never use ATF in the production instance. We never ever use the in the production instance. Okay, so to support this part, ServiceNow introduced this concept called the ATF, and we create the test cases as well. Then upgrade happen. We do the basic testing, everything, incident change, problem request, जो भी आपके modules हैं, we do the test testing. If any defect is there, we fix it. Any skip records are there, we fix it. Once it has been done, then we bring our update sets in the development again to make sure that everything is working fine. And once it has been given sign off, then we go for the test. Then we go for the production. But before we go in the production, we have to be roll out the communication. We have to be arrange the trainings for the users or the customers so that they should know that what new changes are coming in this particular release. This is what is the upgrade concept. Clear to both of you?
Yes, sir.
Interesting है, बढ़िया है. If you, the only thing is that in the PDA we can't do this thing. Okay. Now the next part. And this is again this is a topic which is very close to my heart. And these three topics are 2-3 topics like import, export, XML, update sets movement, upgrades and cloning are in the similar nature. Now the thing is that we've done from the last 30, 34 days, 35 days, we're doing a lot of development in my instance. Now I want to move that to the Heathel instance. Okay. This is called the migration. Instance to instance migration. Or you can say the update set movement. So we know that in my system, I have a update set. क्या update set था मेरे नाम? Update set का नाम था, let's say created LNG पाठशाला, right? Yeah. अच्छा ये तो सारे इन प्रोग्रेस में मेरे वाला कहाँ गया? ये रहा. पर दिख क्यों नहीं रहा मुझे? रुको, let me do this way, group by state. ये रहा, ठीक है? This is my. Now I want to move this particular update set to the Heathel instance. Two ways, like we did this thing. XML किया, we can do by that way, but that is not recommended. The recommendation is that go a proper way. So what to do now? Suppose my instance is a development instance and Heathel instance is a production instance. Okay, or the test instance. These are two different instances. So now if I go here, let me do this paint. ये है मेरा इंस्टेंस, ठीक है, और ये है Heathel का इंस्टेंस. Now I want to move the data from here to here. ठीक है, but as of now there is no relationship between these two. दोनों अलग अलग हैं. So what we have to do? First we have to make a relationship between these. इसको ऐसे करते हैं, ऐसे, between this and this. So now what we do? We go to the Heathel instance and we search for the update set. ठीक है, and we click on the retrieve update set. Before that we'll click on the update sources. कहां से आपको updates लेके आने हैं पहले वो मुझे बताओ. I said okay, click on the new. The way we done the load data in the transform, the same thing we're going to do here. So dev 181379, yeah, I put जी पार्ट कौन सा इंस्टेंस है, डेव है, मैंने कहा हाँ वो डेव वाला इंस्टेंस है। कहाँ जाना है, इसका यूआरएल दे दो मुझे, ओके। ठीक है, यूजर नेम क्या है, यूजर नेम एडमिन और पासवर्ड। If you have an iPhone and you want to transfer your data from iPhone to laptop, you have to be install iTunes. Whenever you do the transfer, it will pop up a window on your mobile phone. Please enter the password or the passlock to make sure that connection has been established. So now I'll click on the save. हाँ, ये तो रहेगा ही रहेगा प्रॉब्लम, कोई बात नहीं। वो क्या कह रहा है कि देखो कनेक्शन बन गया है, लेकिन प्रॉब्लम क्या है कि जहां से फ्रॉम वेयर यू आर पिकिंग अप द योर अपडेट सेट, इट्स ऑन द वॉशिंगटन बट यू आर ऑन द टोक्यो। Chances there that some of the functionality will not work. Are you okay? I said okay, I'm okay. But before that, let's check the connection. Connection is okay, means this authentication is working very much fine. This is a known issue to me because I know that she is on the Tokyo and I'm on the Washington DC. It is like you are teaching algebra or the geometry to the fourth class student, fourth standard student. So the chances that he may or may not be understand completely. He may or may interpret your thoughts, your words, your concepts in a different manner. Are you okay with this? I'm okay with this. Okay. Now we click on the retrieve completed update set. Important point, because this is you need to be do as a developer. Always make sure in your dev instance, the changes which you want to move to the next instance, only close those update sets. If you complete all the update sets, then it will retrieve all update sets here. क्या है ये, retrieve completed update set. Click on this. What is be happening now in the background? This instance pick up this username, password and the URL, going here, going in this table, checking that which update set in the complete state and bringing it here. See, देखो यहाँ के सारे changes आ रहे हैं मेरे। ठीक है, it is bringing it. So update set moment is like a bringing the data from the other system like we did in the load or transfer map, but it is not a data, it is a what it is, logical or business configuration. So now you can see, oh ये कह रहा है भाई ठीक है ये तो हो गया, लेकिन जो हितल का अपडेट सेट था ना वो फेल हो गया है, जो अतुल का था वो भी फेल हो गया, उसमें देयर आर 5 एरर्स, हितल में 5 एरर्स, सॉरी 5 एरर है, अतुल के इसमें 45 एरर्स है। कोई बात नहीं, नॉट एन इशू, because we know the prime reason. Prime reason is the instances are not in the same patches or the same versions. चलो कोई बात नहीं, click on the close. Don't worry, अब डेटा तो आ ही गया, right? अब मना तो कर नहीं सकते उसको भाई. It's like a some uninvited guest at your side now. Now what to do? What we have done in the roadmap, load source. जब when we get the data from Excel sheet to the staging table, we verify, right, that all the records have been settled down in the staging table or not. The same thing we're going to be do here. So अब क्या बोला देखो मैं एक अपडेट सेट लेके आया हूँ ये वाला, and under this update set I have a 2 more update sets. देखो ये रहे in batch, क्यों? क्योंकि this is my parent and this is to child one. So जो इसके साथ होगा वो इनके साथ भी होगा, and total I bring 918 changes. मतलब हितल ने भी काम नहीं किया है, and Hema is using its own instance. The question come before I proceed further. The question come, Atul, how we can do the practice? Do one thing, Hema, create a user for Hetal in your instance and give admin rights. Hetal, create a user for Hema's in your instance and give admin rights, and exchange the passwords and the URLs, and then you can do these things at your side as well. Hema will bring Hetal's changes, Hetal will bring Hema's changes. Or you can bring my changes as well if you want.
Okay.
ठीक है. Now, अब ये तो problem हो गई because it has an error as well. Now what to do? It says come here and it says go to retrieved update set. जो भी आप करके लेके आए उसको देखो पहले. This is my retrieve update set. See, in this I have this thing, right? LNG. But we don't have this concept here. No, because till the time we did not commit the changes. If let's say, if you go to a or a holiday trip, before you reach to the hotel, before that hotel person give you the keys for the room, he or she want to verify, sir, your ID card, sir, your payment, how many adults, how many kids are there, any special dietary information, an accessibility requirement, sir, you book this via this particular website, you getting this much a discount. So what they are doing, they are checking everything before they give you the room, because once they give you the room, they cannot allow to be take you out. So now we have to do this preview here. So if you open this update set, what it's saying, to commit this update set, you must address all the related problem. Ki boss, if you want to proceed further, you have to be resolve these 50 problems. अगर एक भी ओपन है तो मैं नहीं करने दूंगा. Sorry sir, your ID card is not matching with the ID card you put in the website. Sorry, we can't allow you. You have to be provide me the valid ID card. So this is what the problem. Now the question comes, Atul, how to fix this part? So you can see total 745 changes inserted. 90 were updated, means 90 means there are the 90 files which I make changes at my side, and that has been updated in this part. 6 file deleted, 5 in the collision, means 5 are there which Hetal also change, which I also change. Now it's a collision. So now first we scroll down. देखो ये सारी errors है. 45 errors. Now, very basic example I give in my trainings as well. Let's say it's Hema's birthday. Okay. Hema's wife, Hema's husband bring a chocolate cake, and Hema's sister also staying with Hema. She also bring a red velvet cake. Sharp 12 o'clock, both came, husband and sister, with the 2 different cakes. Now Hema is in a confusion. Which cake she should cut first? If she will take precedence over the sister cake, husband may feel sad that she ignored me. She's my wife, but she's still going for the favor of her sister. If Hema cuts the cake which is brought by her husband, then sister can feel sad. I travel along to celebrate your birthday. Now what to do? The same thing is here. It says you have 4 actions to do. Number 1, या तो which is record is missing, you find out. Otherwise, find out means find in your instance only. Find a missing update. Go to the previous version. Sorry, go to the previous or the other instance and find out that is any file which need to be moved is has been missed out. Bring that. Except remote update means जो है उसको कर लो. Don't go here and there. और skip remote update. कुछ नहीं करना मुझे इसको कुछ करना है छोड़ दो इसको. So any of these four you have to take one action minimum. Without this you can't proceed further. Clear for fundamental.
Yes, sir.
And Ethel. Clear, right? Good. So now you have to do at least one action. And I'm telling you, once we move the update set, it is individual developer responsibility to go and check these things and do the changes and accept the changes. ऐसा नहीं आंखें बंद करके सारे को इग्नोर कर दे, नहीं. It is a PDI, so we can still ignore it. But if it is an actual office instance or official instance, you can't ignore. You have to be fixed, you have to be revert, you have to bring the changes. Okay. So, and you can see here like this, they are giving the error codes. Did not find this property, did not find this property, did not find this property. Maybe something as I say that she's on the Tokyo release, I'm on the Washington release. A lot of changes has been done. So for the sake of our exercise only, we will click this, we'll go here and we will do okay, let's skip remote update set. I'm skipping everything. Okay. And click on the save. कितनी हो गई? 30 रह गई. 20 मैंने skip कर दी. Okay. Select this. Skip. 40 हो गई, 10 रह गई and save it. You can see, right? Select this, skip. 5 रह गई. Sorry, save. अबे 5 कौन सी रह गई? इसमें तो कुछ है नहीं मेरे पास. हाँ, ये रही. ठीक है, ये देखो, ये हितल की थी, जो वो भी मेरी थी, भी हितल की है. Skip remote update and all. Close. Now let me save this. Now let's say we have done our work, we have checked each and every file and we take a proper action. And now ServiceNow says, looks all good to me. Are you okay to commit? I said yes. Commit is like in the SQL statement, when we click commit means now these changes are going actually in the database. So it is like I am running my transform map and my data from the staging table is committing to the target table. But it's not data, it is a configuration files, business logics. So it is working the update sets now. It takes little time to do this part. And if you're using or you're working in the agile format, then after every 2 weeks, you have to do this exercise. So it is recommended that only close those update sets which you want to move to the next level. If you unintentionally, wrongly, mistakenly close any other update set also, it will come here. And then it can be problematic statement as well. So now it is committing the update sets. It means what we have here, everything is going commit in this particular part. Second part, we never ever recommend to reopen any update set again. Once it is complete, it should be considered as a complete. We should never ever open it, but I'm in a PDI, so I'm going to be reopen it as well, because so that my changes should get captured here. See, and make this current update set ताकि अपने changes में capture होते रहे. Now come back here. See, it's done. Close. So commitment has been done. Atul, how to see? Reload this page. You will see a lot of changes now. See, सब changes यहाँ पर आ गए हमारे वाले. Want to go and see? Go to maintain item. We have admin. ये आ गया हमारा update. Want to see? Go here and check portals. ये रहा हमारे पोर्टल का नाम. You want to go here and check let's say after committing I did a testing. ठीक है, see ये सब changes हमारे थे, right? After doing the commitment we are doing the testing. During the testing we found that our feature is not working. Now what to do? The whitewash person is doing the whitewash, and during the whitewash almost it's done, but in a few hours color will start getting finish. Now what to do? Either fix it, either revert it. As a best practice, fixing is the good option. If you want to, if you think that this functionality is not working, better to make a new record update set in the dev, fix that issue and bring into the production instance the same manner. Update set, commit, and all these things will be there. But if you think, no, Atul, 90% functionality is not working and my instance is unstable now, what to do? I want to back out. I want to remove all the changes which I bring from your instance. Then go here. Search for the local update set. Why local? Because now you've done the commitment. So which has been retrieved is become local now. ठीक है? Open it. And you will see the button back out. I'm again telling you from experience, back out is not much recommended. It's like in a water, I mix salt, I mix sugar, and I mix honey. And I want, can you take it half spoon honey, half spoon sugar, half spoon salt back from the water? Is it possible? Not possible. I'm not saying that in the backout is not possible, but backout service now say backout is risky because you have done a lot of changes in the instance now. A lot of files has been settled down in the different areas. So before you back out, let me give you a warning. See, The backout process can undo a large amount of the work cannot be undone. ऐसा नहीं है कि आपने किया दोबारा से उसको सेट कर दोगे, नहीं. Backout process will validate each update set. जो जो आपने अपडेट सेट किया उसको हर एक को जाके चेक करेगा. Check the problem कि if you are doing a backout, then what can be the problem here? And finally, if no problem found, only then it will do the backout. Are you okay? Yes, and that is it is in the red color. See, it's checking the problem. The major problem can be because the instance are not in the same versions. See, found 4 problem. Fix this problem and try to backout process again. Close. देखते हैं भाई क्या प्रॉब्लम आई है. देखो ये है, वो कह रहा है आपको करना है, यू कैन डू इट, बट द प्रॉब्लम इज दैट फॉर दीज changes I did not find any previous version. मतलब I invite this one, the whitewash person is doing the painting on a very fresh wall. बिल्कुल उस पर कुछ नहीं था, nothing. Now I say boss this color is not looking good, can you bring it back? मैडम बैक तो ला ही सकता मैं इसको. क्यों? क्योंकि पहले तो कोई कलर था ही नहीं, तो मेरे पास बैक लाने का कोई तरीका नहीं. आप बोलते हो इफ यू से आई कैन डू मोर कलर ऑन द टॉप ऑफ दैट, बट आई कैनॉट ब्रिंग इट एज अ बैक. सो वो केस है. इट सेज डू नथिंग, कुछ नहीं करना. ओके, गो हियर. अच्छा सॉरी, ठीक है, डू नथिंग ना, ठीक है. इफ आई ओपन लेट मी शो यू. हाँ, इग्नोर अनसेफ, ठीक है, कर दो, कोई बात नहीं. गो हियर एंड नाउ क्लिक ऑन द बैकआउट. प्रोसीड. एंड नाउ सर्विस नाउ से बॉस आई एम गिविंग यू द एरर. You should know that what is not be working after this backout will be done. So now my backout has been completed. See, it is removing everything, deleting everything, removing field. देखो, everything it will be removed now. पहले commit किया, अब uncommit कर रहा हूँ. Going back, not uncommit is not the right word. I'm going back, reverse. So now you can see everything it's be taking back. देखो कितने changes है. So it will take little time to be do that part. क्योंकि सब रिवर्ट भी तो करना है. It's not that easy that okay आपने किया और हो गया. Because it is a PDI, it's look like very easy. अरे सर ये तो बहुत easy है, but ऐसा नहीं है. Practical life में ऐसा नहीं है. Not that much easy. Maybe if you try to be reload this, let's see if changes are there or not. Still reverting. तो अभी घूम रहा है, देखो कहाँ तक पहुँच गया. My God, 178 टेबल्स बनाए, टेबल्स को ड्रॉप कर रहा है. It is a SQL statements. Drop table. It's completely deleting the tables from the database. These things you should read it. Done? Yes. Almost done now. Because it is on the Ethel update set now. और नज़म के अपडेट सेट में कुछ नहीं है. Still working on this part. It will take another few seconds only, I'm sure. ATF, data sources, सब चीजें हट जाएंगी. And these are nothing. These are the CSA-CIS. ये CSA-CIS है उसके. To see more, see, it's doing the work. Still moving. Backout is take a lot time. See, change is gone. right? It means backout is almost okay. Fail हो गया, one or more version, but हाँ देखो वो कह रहा है मैंने बैकआउट तो कर दिया, but there are few files which I did not find the previous versions. As I say the same thing, right? I said okay. अब जो रह गया वो तो रह गया, क्या कर सकते हैं उसमें? Let's see anything I can find out. भाई 4 का तो प्रॉब्लम रह गया रहेगा. So now if I reload my page and if you try to find out LNG again, you will not get it. See, all gone. This is what is called update set movement. Doubt, question and clarification. Hital and Hema. Interesting, right?
Yeah. Yes, Atul. Sorry, I have a question.
Mhm.
If there is, yeah, like you showed me some failures, right? Those are just migrating errors, right? The
Right.
instance. Okay. For updates, if you have to roll back, can you? Like if you don't want to.
Upgrades.
Yeah, like say if you.
The family changes, right?
Yes.
Oh my God. Very, very genuine question you put it. Practical answer is no.
Okay.
It's not that much easy. Because reverting to the previous family of a service now, you need a lot of things to be done. Number one, it's not recommended by service now. See, upgrade is like, you know that what you're going to be do. If you're renovating your house, you know that you are renovating your house. It's not like someone came and say, hey, renovate, you start renovating. You invest your time, money, efforts, cloning, backup, everything you have done. Only then you will upgrade it. Right? So that is the
Right.
first question service now put. Second question, to revert back, you may need the previous data as well, or the previous version as well. It is a long story, but short answer is no.
Okay.
Not the way we see the update sets rollback is not the way we can do the upgrades rollback. No.
Okay.
The same thing apply for the plugins as well. Once you install a plugin, you cannot uninstall that plugin.
Okay.
You can hide that options for the users. We will see this option as well, but you can't uninstall because service now say you are not 1 year or 2 year kid. You are mature guys. You know that you need this, only then you are going to be do this part.
Right.
ऐसा तो नहीं ना कि आप गए मार्केट में और आपको मन के आईफोन लेना, आपने आईफोन 15 उठा लिया $1000 का. You know that what you're going to be do, right? उसके बाद दुकान को वो दुकान वाला, if you come back and say to the shopkeeper, hey, I want to return it. Sorry, ma'am, we don't have a return policy. You purchase, when you purchase, you know that you are purchasing it. So is that simple? That is.
Okay.
Okay. Any other
So,
question?
so that's why they have the test environment before they.
They have a dev environment, right? But why you want to be revert to the previous version of service now? My first
No.
question is that.
Yeah, I just thought in a generic way because
नहीं.
say if an update doesn't work, you know how we roll
Come
back.
on. Hema, wait.
We
You
do
are
roll
mixing.
back.
Hema, wait. You are mixing two things.
Yes.
Updates is different. Upgrades are different.
Right. Okay.
Upgrade means, as I say yesterday as well, you are changing your family. From your father name
Yes.
to your husband name is upgrade. Update
Right.
is if you are installing the new patch of the same family.
Mhm.
So like in this case, if I show you, let's go here, upgrade preview. Okay. She's on the Tokyo, right?
Mhm.
If she want to go in the Tokyo itself, है कि टोक्यो को कुछ like this. Then it is an update, not an upgrade.
Update. Okay.
But if you want to go from Tokyo to Vancouver or Washington, then it is a fully
Upgrade.
upgrade, not update.
Okay. Thank you. Yeah, I'm good.
So if you're changing the family, definitely if you're getting married, you know that what you're doing. It's not like after the one day you say, no, I'm not happy with this match, I want to go back. As simple as, right?
Yes.
You want to become chachi, mami, auntie, that's up to you.
Right.
But you can still revert back. But it's get married, it's married. Now you know 2 months, 3 months, 4 months, we spend time, efforts, money, celebrations, inviting everybody.
Yeah.
That's the thing.
Got it.
So the first question you should ask to yourself, why a customer want to be go back to the previous version? If you will be happy with that answer, then approach to the service now. That my customer has this point, what you suggest? And the short answer is no, we can't go back to the previous version. Not that much easy to go back. अरे देखो हमने एक अपडेट सेट मूव किया उसमें 4 एरर आ गई. If you revert to the complete version, family version, how many
Can you
problems?
imagine? Yeah.
Right?
Right.
That's the thing. Chaliye, any other question? Hital?
No, sir.
Okay, good. Let me stop recording.